to the Plant Farm Eat YouTube channel. Parsley grows best in well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Direct seedling is the easiest way to start parsley. Parsley is an easy herb to grow indoors. Water deeply at least once a week. Harvest parsley by snipping off the stalks close to the ground, beginning with the outside stalks. Fresh parsley has the best quality. Make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on the upcoming videos. Plant Farm Eat is a platform for horticulture and environment enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides and practices how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably. Common parsley is a member of the carrot family. It is common as a garnish or as a flavoring in many dishes and salads. The curly varieties also make a nice addition to most gardens, planted with other herbaceous plants or used in a border. Native to the Mediterranean area, parsley has a biennial life cycle. It can easily be grown in containers indoors for fresh use during the winter. However, gardeners usually grow it as an annual because the plants often get damaged during winters. Parsley grows best in well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Fertilize plants in garden beds once or twice during the growing season, using a 5 to 10 to 5 commercial fertilizer at the rate of 3 ounces per 10 feet of row. Use a liquid fertilizer at 1.5 the label recommended strength every 3 to 4 weeks for container grown plants outside and every 4 to 6 weeks for parsley grown indoors. The most common variety is curly parsley, typically grows 8 to 14 inches tall. They form dense clumps that are great for borders, interplanting in garden beds and indoor or outdoor containers. Italian flat-leaf parsley is another popular variety. This plant can grow 2 to 3 feet tall and is generally in habit. The flat, serrated leaves have a much stronger and sweeter flavor than the other varieties, making it more desirable for cooking. Hamburg parsley has white, fleshy, garnish-like roots used in flavoring soups. It has a tall, fern-like leaves. Japanese parsley resembles Italian parsley, but is not as common. It has a more bitter taste and is present in Asian cuisine. Direct seeding is the easiest way to start parsley. The rate of germination is dependent upon seed freshness, ranging from 2 to 5 weeks. To speed up the process, soak the seeds in warm water for up to 24 hours prior to planting. As with most herbs, parsley does best in a sunny area that receives direct light for 6 to 8 hours a day. It can tolerate some light shade. Sow seeds directly in the ground, where you will grow the plants, after danger of spring frost has passed. Cover seeds with 1/8 inch of soil, keep them moist. Since germination is so slow, it is a good idea to mark the rows. Emerging seedlings will appear almost grass-like with 2 narrow seed leaves opposite each other. Thin or transplant seedlings when they are 2 to 3 inches high. Final spacing should be 10 to 12 inches apart. Parsley is an easy herb to grow indoors as long as it has a bright location and holes in the bottom of the pot to ensure good drainage. The plants may be a bit spindly when grown indoors because of the lower light levels. Start seeds indoors in the late winter, 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date in mid-April or in early August for a fall crop. Do not allow the plants to dry out completely between watering in the garden. Water deeply at least once a week to ensure the roots are receiving enough moisture during the growing season. A light mulch of ground, up leaves or grass clippings will help retain moisture and keep weeds to a minimum. Harvest parsley by snipping off the stalks close to the ground, beginning with the outside stalks. There will be new growth throughout the growing season if you prune it like this. If you just cut the tops off and the leaf stalks remain, the plant will be less productive. The plants remain green and productive into fall and can handle light frost. Leave the plants in place after frost kills the foliage. They might resprout in spring depending on winter conditions. Harvest fresh parsley until the plant sits up as seed stalks and dies, completing its biennial life cycle. Second-year parsley will be more bitter than the previous season's harvest. Fresh parsley has the best quality. Although you can dry or freeze it, much flavor is lost. Dry the leaves by spreading them on a screen or hanging them upside down in bunches in warm, well-ventilated room, out of the direct light. For quick drying, dry the leaves in a slow oven at 100° Fahrenheit for just a few minutes. Store the dry leaves ground or whole in an airtight container, away from heat sources or bright light. You can also freeze fresh parsley in small bags in the freezer. Use parsley preserved by either method within a year's time. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on the upcoming videos.